This is Toronto's custom jewelry workshop and store.
What is the most rewarding thing having created this business?
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. I get emotional. I get to come to work every day. I'm gonna start again.
But no, that was great.
Founder and jewelry designer Sarah opened the shop back in 2005 after a Valentine's Day class where couples could create each other's wedding bands, which soon evolved into one of their most popular classes now known as the Wedding Band Workshop. For over 16 years, this shop has specialized in selling a wide selection of luxury jewelry, while also doing professional jewelry repairs, and most of all, hosting workshops for guests to craft custom jewelry. But one of the crown jewels of this spot is Melissa, the shop manager and head instructor. And with almost 15 years of experience, she's responsible for mentoring thousands of pupils through their 13 different workshops they offer for all experience levels. In fact, she tells me if you look closely at their hammering logs, you'll notice hundreds of couples who have carved their initials after completing their wedding band workshop. Trust me, it's enough to make you feel sentimental.
The most rewarding thing I got out of starting this business is every day when I wake up, every day I wake up and I'm excited to go to work. I look forward to it. It's my passion. Oh my God.
Good answer.
It is though. I'm very lucky to have a job that I am excited to do and come to, and I come up here and I'm like, this is my place. These are my people. I'm happy here. It's a happy job.
Find these masters of their craft and the beautiful jewelry that comes with it at the Devil's Workshop at 1106 Queen Street West.